Fired to Inspired, How Ravi Built a Six-Figure Business from Scratch. 5 years of loyalty, ended with just one sentence. Ravi had poured everything into his job. Early mornings, late nights, skipped vacations. And yet one cold morning, it all disappeared with a quick meeting and a printed letter. Just like that, he was let go. He walked out of that building with a cardboard box in his hands and a storm in his chest. No job, no backup plan. Just 3 months of savings and 1,000 questions keeping him up at night. But in that silence, something sparked. While his friends refreshed job portals and rewrote resumes, Ravi did something different. He buried himself in YouTube tutorials, ebooks, and forums. He studied e-commerce like his life depended on it, because it did. Every night until 3 a.m. he was learning, failing, trying again. With the little money he had, he bought supplies and launched a small handmade product store. The first month, only 3 sales. The second, 17. Not life-changing, but proof that it could work. He doubled down. Then came the third month, 1 viral post, 1 influencer shout-out, suddenly over 100 orders. His tiny living room turned into a full-time workspace. The business had a pulse. It was real. Today, Ravi earns over 3 times what he used to make at his old job. And he does it working just 4 hours a day, from anywhere in the world. Beaches, cafes, his own terms. He didn't have a plan when he got fired, but he found purpose. Your layoff isn't the end. It might just be the beginning. Start before you're ready.